USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the prop firms. Sign up with these brokers if you want to trade with my signals separately. So sign up and subscribe, like all of that. Coming back to the USDJPY top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend. So new uptrend, pullback, then we are going up again. Daily, what we have is we are going to continue the uptrend pretty soon in I guess, next 2-3 days only. So did we make this new high? Let me see. 870. This was 859. So today, okay, we might break this high today once this candle closes in next 1.5 hours. So the time will tell. But we are in the uptrend, this up, pull back, up and pull back, and then we're gonna go up. Okay, so it has been 4 months since dollar had been in the downtrend. Now it's time to it's time for dollar to go up from maybe 13th of June. Okay, maybe from next week onwards, dollar will be in the uptrend. As soon the candle will close above the EMA in USDJPY, we will be in the uptrend. That's all I can confirm. Okay, so if we have any entry signal in 4 hour, let's see what do we have in 4 hour. We had been consolidating in 4 hour. Entry will be after the pullback. Quite simple. Okay, so wait for the pullback and then enter long after the blue confirmation candle. Okay, so right now I don't think we will enter. Wait for the pullback, then wait for the blue confirmation candle, and then go for your 1:2 ratio. Look for longs in USDJPY. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, and join the Telegram and check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.